In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable or enable Windows Defender on Windows 11. Whether you're troubleshooting or needing to temporarily disable the antivirus feature for specific technical reasons, these straightforward steps will guide you through the process with ease. Let's begin by opening the Settings menu. To do this, press the Windows key on your keyboard, followed by the letter I. This shortcut is a quick and efficient way to access all your system settings without needing to navigate through numerous windows. Once you have the settings window open, look to the left-hand panel and find the option labeled Privacy and Security. Give that a click. This section of the settings is crucial for managing your security preferences and ensuring your data stays safe. Now, within the Privacy and Security menu, you should see an option titled Windows Security. Click on it to bring up the next set of options. This hub is where Windows groups all of its security settings, including those for the built-in antivirus. Windows Defender. The next step is to locate and select Virus and Threat Protection. By clicking this, you'll open up a menu specifically designed to manage the antivirus settings. It's here that you'll be able to toggle the real-time protection features of Windows Defender on or off. When you've reached this point, look for a section called Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Within this section, you'll find an option to Manage Settings. Clicking on this will take you deeper into the options available for customizing how Windows Defender protects your system. Now, you're going to see a toggle switch for real-time protection. This switch is your main tool for enabling or disabling the on-the-fly virus scanning that Windows Defender performs. To turn off Windows Defender, simply toggle this switch to the off position. This action temporarily disables the antivirus feature, allowing your system to run without real-time scanning, which might be necessary for certain scenarios like installing specific software or drivers that Windows Defender might incorrectly block. If your system prompts you with a security warning after doing this, you may need to confirm your choice to proceed. Just click Yes to allow these changes to be made, finalizing the process. Remember, turning off real-time protection makes your computer vulnerable, so be sure to turn it back on when done. That concludes our guide on disabling or enabling Windows Defender on Windows 11. Keep in mind that these changes can always be undone by following these same steps and toggling the switch back to on once you're ready to re-enable protection. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.